What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be trying something special. I'm going to be trying out the Reefs 1100 Smart RC Servo in my Xmaxx. And guess what? Reefs hooked this up pretty well with a little tool mat that I'm going to be using today, a little screw and tool mat, and also a banner. You like them, Zara? Are they Zara approved yet? Premium RC Products banner. But I cannot wait to try out this bad girl in this Xmaxx and see if it's one of the best servos possible. So first I'm gonna have to tear this down so I can get to this. All right, as you guys have probably seen in my other Xmaxx videos, I can almost not turn at all now, especially to the left. So this is the turning with the stock servo. Barely turning at all. See, even Deathcat don't like it. He said, no, it's not good. We got the old stock servo out, boys. Now time to get the beautiful one in. But first, we're gonna have to use this hot racing adapter here. All right, guys, here's all the schematics of this 1100 Smart. But I'll have a link down below to where you could go and check out more of this stuff. So I am super excited for this. Let's go ahead and get her unboxed here. Get out of there. I want to look at you. Whoa. Yeah, it's got some weight to it, guys. Okay, guys, I have the adapter installed and my 1100 Smart installed here. Wire all running through. I'll leave a link for the adapter as well if you guys want to try that out. Now to get the rest of it going. Along with this, guys, I got a 25 tooth hot racing servo saver and also a new little steering rod by GPM as well. This was kind of thrown in with one of my orders, so we're gonna go full upgrades on this. I'll leave links in the description for this as well. Well, there she is, guys, all mounted up. We got steering, and then we're going to put the front end back on, of course, and show you the end result. I got a brand new Xmaxx body here. As you know, my old one is completely messed up. So I got the beautiful orange and blue body that I have been looking forward to for so long. This isn't the ultimate, I don't think, but yeah, it's the exact colors I want. So we're gonna reinforce it as we always do. And if you guys wanna know how to reinforce stuff, I'll have some links down below to other videos that I have of doing this on other bodies. But we're gonna be reinforcing this and getting it on the Xmaxx. Let's do it. One last time before it gets all ugly and dirty here. She is out of the package. It is gorgeous. All right, it's all installed now. And this is turning on the same rough surface. Much faster, much stronger. All right, guys, today we got my brand new Xmaxx. Just kidding. This is the Bachelor Xmaxx with a brand new body with a new servo in it. I got the Reefs 1100. We're gonna be trying it out today. And I also have my Casco camera sitting on top. So we're gonna go see if we can get some good shots with this. It is a little windy today, so I couldn't bring the drone out. But now you guys are watching a video of a video of a video. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's go.
What is going on?
What is going on? Since we got the camera on there, let's go hit the big jump first and see. I can definitely turn a lot better. The radius, that was close to killing the camera. The radius has never been good on Xmaxxes. Look at that fire team. Oh, you took my camera off. No, bro, driving over my camera. That was hilarious. All right, let's go. Oh my God, the fire team. Oh, nosedive fire team. Fire team on. Oh, tree shot. It landed in the trees. It definitely broke the arm. Yes, it broke the arm. How is it sitting, bro? What did it break then?
Oh, it did break the arm. It broke the top A arm and pulled the...
Oh my gosh. Well, Arma tough, baby. You see?
How did that break that?
Good chow, baby. Good chow. I mean, well, there's a Revo in the way. Ah,
Right in the way.
I'm in the way. Let's see with the camera on here, guys. Oh, there goes my camera. We're gonna go center off the big jump while I have this camera on here. All right, here we go, boys. Oh, there goes my camera. Servo took that. That was a hard landing. Let's go hit it again. Oh, I hope that's all that happened. If you didn't break anything, that's the strongest heat reef I've ever seen. Mine would have broke the everything, dude. Oh my God. So far she took a massive front end landing. Servo's still doing good. Let's see if we can hit one more jump with this. Oh, Front end landing. This is a wash for now. Everybody look at Byron's new Creighton, new old Creighton. What is it, V5 or V5 that Byron's been working on now? There's a Revo. Oh, wait. Here come Byron's Creighton. Never mind. Nice. I've never seen a Revo take it. Here come my Xmaxx. We're gonna wear that front end out. It's taking massive nosedives, boys. Here come Byron Creighton. Nice. Let's hit it in reverse with the Xmaxx. Doing pretty good here. Old Reefs Servo, baby. That's high up. That was high up. I think because he has small tires on here, obviously it's not letting it flip as much, so it's like landing almost perfectly. Oh! What? Oh, yeah, I'm having a blast. No, I'm not. Loving his new body. Oh! I'm sorry, bud. The Xmaxx might have just broke your E-Revo.
You broke everything.
What did I break?
A-arm.
Oh, no, it just popped out.
Oh, that's it?
Oh, wait, no, what?
He said, oh.
No, it ripped it.
It ripped the A-arm.
Oh, no.
And then, oh no, that's how that is. But yeah, it ripped the bottom one. I'm sorry, I parked my Xmaxx in the wrong place. Are you guys ready to jump?
Oh, no.
I'm sorry. That's Revo problems, bud, but I was parked in the way. There we go. Man, the tree should have broke. It fixed itself. Self-healing technology. Little wheels. I think because your little wheels, you don't have as much in-air control, but it just flies straight.
It glides.
Yeah. Yeah, it just glides straight with those little tires. Oh, yeah. Not my new body. Man, this is a brand new body, guys. Look at it, it's got a little crease there. What are we gonna do?
I just saw it around. I was like, nope, not today, Satan.
Not today. Oh, no shot. That was another no shot. Look at that. Took out a big old thing of dirt. I'm really hard on these gears too. Boys!
Is I like went off of there sideways and it went boom, boom, boom.
Yeah? Shoom, 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 shoom.
Can you do that again?
Yeah.
Do it again.
But not for you.
Oh.
Well, that's rude.
Well, do it for them. Do it for them on the camera.
Pop.
No, make your noise again. Make your noise. Why you hiding behind Byron now? Oh, that's murder. No way a Creighton beat me right now. Oh! Tree shot. The Xmaxx laughs at the trees.
Yeah, I think I broke something.
I mean, yeah, it's a Creighton. Of course you broke something.
No, but it's not a Creighton. It's actually Kagama.
Oh no.
Psych.
All right, here we go. Let's send it. There we go. Here come the Creighton. You're on all four. Or a backflip. Here comes his Creighton. Poor effort. I don't know what just happened, but here come the crate. Oh no. Oh, I heard that.
Oh, I got wrong.
That sounded like that's folded in half.
I think it did. Hey, is it folded in half? Because that sounded like it.
It lived?
Are we sure? Holy crap.
That's crazy.
What is this crate made of?
That's stronger than my Creighton. Oh yeah. There we go. Almost landed a backflip. I landed it. Something's going on. You broke it? Oh. No.
What did I broke it in? My AR? Oh, I snapped the...
Oh, the toe link?
Yeah.
Definitely not me standing out there. Bradley.
My toy broke it. My life is over.
Oh, that was a rear shot. Yeah, but them skinny little tires make it land upside down all the time. You just keep running until that diff explodes. Oh! Oh, that was a tree shot. The body fell off, but I think besides that, it's good. Still good to go, boys. Xmaxx, tree shot, no problem. It is making a weird clicky noise. Could be my mesh. But so far, boys, love it so much. Huge shout out Reefs servos. I love this thing. It is steering a lot better, a lot stronger. Got the little mini max. Something's going. I don't know if it's pinion or spur or both. Wonder if I can do a front flip off this thing. Almost. There we go. There we go. Something sounded bad. Oh! Father, come back. Keep running until it quits, guys. He keeps screaming, Father, come back, as he's following me. Let's go, son! Dang it. Father, bring me home. Bring me home, son. Bring me home, son. Let's see what happened.
Oh, no, it just slid.
Just slid off. So what I do is I literally Loctite the shaft and yeah, it still decided to come off. So cool. Let's see, we're holding on by 1/4 of a tooth. Thank you, son. Till the next time. All right, get back here, boy. Drive!
Xmaxx.
Drive, boy, drive!
He's drifting the Xmaxx.
Yeah, what you doing? Imagine if like a group of Vikings showed up with those on their heads back in the day.
I mean, I think Vikings would drive an Xmaxx.
Yeah, definitely.